Hello, my friends. Welcome to Mr. Master English Today. I'm Adam, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. This podcast is your friendly space to practice English every single day. Before we start, leave a comment below and introduce yourself. Tell me your name and where you're from. Also, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Today, we're going to work on your pronunciation. We're going to practice sounding more natural, more confident, more like a native English speaker using advanced shadowing. By the end of this episode, you'll know how to practice pronunciation in a way that really works. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin together. Why does pronunciation matter? Good pronunciation helps people understand you easily. When your pronunciation is clear, you feel more confident. Imagine you're at a coffee shop ordering your favorite drink. Good pronunciation means the person understands you the first time. Or imagine you're at work giving a presentation. Clear pronunciation helps everyone follow your ideas. You don't need fancy words. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need to practice the right way. Let's start with connected speech. This is how native speakers connect words together. Look at this sentence. I want to go home. Native speakers say, I want to go home. The words want to become wanna. Now you say it. I want to go home. Good job. Another example. Did you eat breakfast? Becomes, did you eat breakfast? Now you repeat. Did you eat breakfast? Perfect. One more. What are you doing? Becomes, what you doing? Now you try. What you doing? Excellent. Now let's talk about the schwa sound. It's a very relaxed sound that sounds like We use it in many small words. The word a sounds like I have a dog. Now you say it. I have a dog. Great. The word to becomes to. I want to go. Now you repeat. I want to go. Good. The word for becomes fur. This is for you. Now you try. This is for you. Perfect. Let's practice word stress. In English, we stress one syllable more than the others. Take the word important. We stress the second syllable, important. Now you say it, important. Good job. Another example, computer. We stress the second syllable, computer. Now you repeat, computer. Excellent and beautiful stresses the first syllable, beautiful. Now you try. Beautiful. Great. Now intonation. Our voice goes down at the end of a statement and up at the end of a yes or no question. Statement. I like coffee. Voice goes down. Now you say it. I like coffee. Good. Question. Do you like coffee? Voice goes up. You repeat. Do you like coffee? Excellent. Let's talk about the TH sound. Put your tongue between your teeth just a little bit. For think, blow air out gently. Think. Now you say it. Think. Good. For this, make the sound in your throat too. This. Now you repeat. This. Perfect. Practice these words. 3. Now you try. 3. Great. Thursday. Your turn. Thursday. Good job. Let's bring everything together. Listen first, then repeat. I want to go to the store. Now you say it. I want to go to the store. Perfect. Did you see the movie last night? Now you repeat. Did you see the movie last night? Excellent. What you doing this weekend? Now you say it. What you doing this weekend? Good. Now let's practice a short dialogue. Person A. Hey, what you doing later? Person B. I'm gonna meet some friends. Now you say it. I'm gonna meet some friends. Good. Person A. Where are you going? Person B. We're thinking about going to the park. Now you repeat. We're thinking about going to the park. Perfect. Let me answer some common questions. Do you need to sound exactly like a native speaker? No. Focus on being clear and confident. How long does it take to improve? You can see improvement in just a few weeks with daily practice. What if you feel embarrassed? Everyone does at first. Start by practicing alone. The embarrassment goes away with practice. Here are some practical tips. Tip number 1. Record yourself speaking English, then listen to it. Tip number 2. Speak English out loud every single day, even if you're alone. Tip number 3. Don't try to fix everything at once. Focus on one sound at a time. Tip number 4. Be patient with yourself. Pronunciation takes time. Now I have a challenge for you. Today or tomorrow, find one English video or podcast you enjoy. Watch a short section, maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Then shadow it. Speak at the same time as the speaker. Try to match their rhythm and stress. Do this for just 5 minutes. And if you make a mistake, that's okay. Mistakes are part of learning. All right, my friend. We've reached the end of today's episode. We talked about connected speech, the schwa sound, word stress, intonation, and challenging sounds like th. You learned that pronunciation isn't about being perfect. It's about being clear and confident. Your pronunciation is improving right now. Every time you practice, you're getting better. I believe in you. I know you can do this. Keep practicing every day, even just for 5 minutes. Thank you so much for listening to Mr. Master English today. I'm Adam, and I'm proud of you for showing up today and learning with me. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.